Welcome back to Glitch Sip. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add sound effects and music in Roblox using your microphone. What we need to do is very simple. First, we have to download a sound modulator called voicemod.net. Just go to the website and download it. It's completely free and you only need to log in using Gmail or Discord. I already have it installed, so I'll open the installer file. As you can see, it's a .exe file. We follow the installation steps, accept the terms and conditions, and continue. During installation, the microphone system will restart, so just wait a few seconds. Once the installation is finished, the program will start downloading additional files. This program allows us to use sound effects and music directly through our microphone so other players can hear it. After that, we choose the microphone we want to use, in my case, a Corsair microphone, and continue. Inside VoiceMod, we go to the soundboard, where we can assign keyboard shortcuts. For example, pressing Shift+P will play a sound. Not only that, but we can also upload our own music, even music from Spotify, and play it inside the game. If you enjoyed this tutorial, leave a like, subscribe to Glitch Sip, and see you in the next video.